judgment that was passed in relation to the Manipur violence, and even when it comes to the bench that was led by the Chief Justice of India, had indicated its plan to constitute a panel of 3 judges as well to oversee the humanitarian works for the victims and to appoint other officers from states to monitor the investigation of the criminal cases that have been related to the clashes. And scathing observations that have been made as the order copy that has now been accessed by Times Now, and the Supreme Court has come out heavily, especially when it comes to the police there in Manipur, saying that there was a delay when it comes to recording of 0 FIRs, delay in forwarding those 0 FIRs, there was delay in recording of the statements, there was a lack of diligence and alacrity, and there was tardy pace of effecting when it comes to the arrests also taking place. Harish फिलहाल हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. Harish, good morning to you. What is that in the order copy where the Supreme Court seems to be coming down heavily on the Manipur state machinery?
Yes, Times Now has accessed the detailed order copy uploaded by the Supreme Court after the August 7 hearing. Remember, it was uploaded late last night. It says, in fact, a week after stating that the law and order situation and constitutional machinery had collapsed in Manipur, Supreme Court has said that law enforcement machinery failed in controlling violence for 2 months in the state of Manipur, and very importantly, sought action against those responsible for breach of public duty and who colluded with the perpetrators. The court wanted action against errant officials regardless of rank, position, post, and the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Dattatray Patsalgikar, who has been asked to investigate the allegations that certain police officers colluded with perpetrators of violence. While taking suo motu cognizance of viral video showing 2 women being paraded naked, the court had said the 2 women told Supreme Court that they were thrown to the mob by the policemen and wanted to know what action had been taken against these policemen. And the court has also expressed its anguish of the manner in which women have been subjected to grave acts of sexual violence in the course of the ethnic strife in Manipur. The court said subjecting women to sexual crimes and violence is completely unacceptable and constitutes a grave violation of the constitutional values of dignity, personal liberty and autonomy, and such violence against women during conflict is nothing but an atrocity. And Amita, what is more important is that Supreme Court has also said tardy pace of investigation by the investigating machinery in the state has emerged from the material which was placed before this court. That includes significant delays between occurrence of incidents involving heinous crimes including murder, rape and arson, and the recording of 0 FIRs, and significant delays in forwarding the 0 FIRs to police stations, and delay in converting the 0 FIRs to regular FIRs, and delay in recording witness statements, lack of diligence in recording witness statements and statements of victims, and tardy pace of effecting arrest in case involving heinous offences, and lack of alacrity.
Well, scathing observations that have been made by the court there. Harish, please do stay on with us. We also have Shivya joining us. The order copy that has now been accessed by Times Now, and when it comes to investigating allegations of police complicity, that is also a direction, Shivya, that has been given by the Supreme Court.
तो अमिता, जैसा कि आपने बताया, काफी अहम जो है ऑब्जर्वेशंस दिए गए हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा, और जो पैनल गठित की गई है इस पूरे मामले की जांच के लिए, उसको कम से कम 2 महीने का वक्त दिया गया है एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट करने के लिए. पर जहां तक ऑब्जर्वेशंस की बात है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने काफी जो है स्ट्रिक्ट वर्ड्स में ये ऑब्जर्वेशंस दिए हैं. जिस ऑर्डर कॉपी को हमने एक्सेस किया है, सिग्निफिकेंट डिलेज बिटवीन द अकरेंस ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स इन्वॉल्विंग दीज क्राइम्स व्हिच इंक्लूड्स मर्डर, रेप एंड आर्सन एंड द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ 0 FIRs. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये भी हवाला देते हुए कहा है कि 0 FIRs को पुलिस स्टेशन में जो फॉरवर्ड करने का टाइम होता है उसमें भी काफी डिले देखा गया है. वहीं पर 0 FIRs को रेगुलर FIR में कन्वर्ट करने में भी काफी डिले देखा गया है. विटनेसेस का स्टेटमेंट भी रिकॉर्ड करने में देरी हुई है. लैक ऑफ डिलिजेंस इन रिकॉर्डिंग द स्टेटमेंट्स अंडर सेक्शन 161 एंड सेक्शन 164 ऑफ CRPC, एंड द tardy pace of effecting arrests in cases involving heinous offences, and the lack of alacrity in ensuring medical examination of the victims. Now, these crucial observations have been made by the Supreme Court as far as the order copy is concerned. Now, it has also gone ahead and has said that these statements must be recorded as soon as possible. The statements often lead to the recovery of evidence or the identification of accused persons or witnesses.
All right, Shivya, thanks very much for those details. The order copy that is now